Ayan, tell what is the importance of English in our life?
Well, I want to give a speech about importance of English. English is very important in our life because it helps us in many things. Like if you want to get job in multinational company, then it is very necessary because without English you won't be able to understand what the foreigners, either what the people of that place need, and your business will fail. And if you want to get job in any of the multinational company, then English is also very much required because without English you can't understand what they are speaking. And if you want to operate any of the electronic devices like mobile computer, laptop, then English is very much required because without English you won't be able to understand what is written in those. And English is the default language in most of the electronic devices, so English is very important in our life. That's it. Thank you.
Very good, please. Ayush, what's your opinion? What is the role of English in our life?
Well, I'm going to deliver my speech about the importance of English in our life. English is very important for our life. Suppose if you want to operate computer, in a computer everything is written in English and you don't know English, so you can't understand what is written in the computer. And suppose you are reading an English novel. In a English novel everything is written in English. You also don't know English, so you can't understand what is written in the novel. And suppose you wants to go to abroad. In a abroad everyone speak in English and you don't know English, so you can't talk to him. And suppose you wants to admit a child in big schools like DPS, either DAV. Firstly you will have to face the interview in English. You can't face the interview in English, so you can't admit a child in big schools. So according to me, English is very important for our life. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Ava, we are learning English. You know that everywhere is using English. So, what's your opinion about what is the role and how English is important for everywhere? Everyone.
Well, according to me, English is an international language and also a rich language. If you want to be a doctor, pilot, scientist, engineer, it is very necessary. If you want to go to abroad, so it is also very necessary because in abroad everyone speaks English. If you want to admit your child in a big school like DAV, DPS, so it is also very necessary because in this school you have to face the interview, and if you are not educated, you can't face the interview. And if you want to operate a computer, so it is also very necessary because in computer everything is written in English. If you don't know English, you can't operate a computer. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. Big clap. Ayan, all students are getting education. You know that. So according to you, what is the role of education in our life?
Well, education is one of the most important things in ultra modern era because without education you can't do almost anything. Even the simplest thing like walking, talking, either speaking requires education because without education you won't be able to understand what you are doing. And if you want to pass your time, like if you want to watch any of the shows in different languages, either your own language, then you will have to be educated because without education you won't be able to understand any of the languages. And simply if you want to operate any of the electronic devices like mobile computers, then education is also required in them because you will have to know what you are doing. Either if you don't know what to do, then you won't be able to pass your time and you won't be able to do any of your work. And simply, and if you want to learn any of the language, either if you want to go to abroad, then education is very much required because without education you won't be able to understand what the people of that place are speaking, either what place you will have to go. So education is very much required. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. Ayush, you are learning English in the Orator Institute. So tell something about the Orator Institute of English Language.
Well, I'm going to deliver my speech about the Orator Institute of English Language. It is the best institute in my area. It has started on 17 June 2010. Mr. Credit, the director of the Orator, he teaches us very well. He knows how to he knows how to teach the students very well. He always suggests to us do study at institute but also at the home also. And there are many good teaching material in the Orator. There are three stages for learning like basic, intermediate and advanced. Math, science, English, pol science, history, so home science, sociology are also taught here. That's it. Thank you.
Very good, very good. That's very good. Ava, we are living in India. You know that it's our country. To tell something about India.
Well, I going to name my speech over my country. My country name is India. Delhi is the capital of my country. There are 28 states and 8 centralized states in my country. There are many religious people live in my country like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, etc. There are many holy rivers flow in my country like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, etc. There are many historical places are in my country like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, etc. And I love my country very much. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. Please clap. You guys spoke very well. I hope you will continue and you will go ahead in your life and do better. That's it. Thank you.